Question 20. The diagram shows a ladder leaning against a vertical wall. There's the ladder, 6 meters long. There's the wall. We've got the distance from the wall is 2.25 meters. Tells you all this here. A ladder is safe to use when the angle marked Y is about 75 degrees. Is the ladder safe to use? You must show all your workings. So we want to find out if Y is about 75 degrees. So how do we find out what Y is? We've got a right angled triangle. We've got two lengths. So it looks like it is trigonometry. Now when you find out a question's trigonometry, first thing you need to do, if you've got the right angled triangle, two lengths and an angle involved in the question, you want to put your SOH, CAH, TOA triangles, and you're going to use one of these to work out the angle. Now what have we got? What sides have we got? We've got a hypotenuse and an adjacent. This one, opposite the angle, is not involved at all. There's no length there, and we don't want to find it, so we don't want anything with O in it. So we don't want to use that, we don't want to use that. So we're using the cos triangle. So, we want to find the angle. Now remember the C, that helps us find the angle. That is cosine of the angle. So I'll write cos of Y is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So that would be 2.25 divided by 6. 2.25 over 6. So you can work that out. You can find it somewhere. Right, 2.25 divided by 6 is 3/8. So that is not the angle, that's the cosine of the angle. So if I wanted to find out what the actual angle was, I would have to press Shift cos. That gives us cos to the -1, that's inverse cosine. That takes you from a cosine back to the angle. And I want the last answer I had in my calculator, so I'm going to use this AND button here. Press equals, and it's 67.97. So I could write all that in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start again, another method. This is what I prefer to do, is I would write that Y is equal to inverse cosine of 2.25 over 6. So I know I just got the answer. I'll do it again. Cosine to the -1, 2.25 divided by 6, close your bracket, equals 67.98. That'll do. Degrees. So now we've got to decide whether we think that is safe or not. And we want it to be about 75. It's 67.98 degrees, so about 68. It's 7 degrees off. At this point you might decide that that's close enough. But I'm going to say it is not safe. So, not safe, as Y is not close enough to 75 degrees.